st software underscore stage grid. If you see, this will be the path if you directly want to go there. And now you have to click the run installer. Okay, before we start run installer, there are some tabs which I would like you to look at it. Okay, here very clear, you should know name, your cluster name, you should know your scan name, your port name, check your you must have, all this has to be there. I will give you the address. Okay, now if you run installer, the sincere advice is there, when you are doing this on your desktop, please don't run too many applications. Don't try to do your production work. If it is urgent, then only keep minimize. But please, when you are running this, if you can keep down your mails and other application little down, it will be good. Okay, there are multiple options available here. We have to do it. We are going to use install and configure infrastructure grid cursor. Okay, if you see this is little tough, you have to understand. I'm going and doing in this install and grid infrastructure. Okay, okay, meanwhile it goes through, we will see. The first thing is very important point will be the cluster name what you want to give, and then what is the scan port default, don't change it, and the GNS name. This will be the major input for you. Okay, okay, there is a type of installation you want to do at a full grid infrastructure with basic, advanced, where you want to add additional flexibility with the IPM, integration with the IPM and other thing. For our exercise, we are just going to select very basic one with the basic install. We'll select advanced and click and select language. You can select all languages, but please don't select all languages. It will slow down more. So I go to advanced. Okay, I'll only select English. Okay, now this is where the challenge. This screen is very important. If you do any mistake in the screen, you are gone for toss. Okay, see this name, you are not supposed to, you have to just upload this cluster name. The below thing will automatically change. So what was my cluster name? If I don't recall, open a terminal. Okay, open a terminal. Okay, home Oracle labs st_env.sh echo, everywhere just add st cluster underscore name CL9036. Okay, CL9036. Most of the people do mistake here, they write GR9036. Don't do that. Whatever output you get there, do that. Second thing which you are going to write is GNS subdomain name. Okay, what is your GNS subdomain name? This value you get it from where it has been recorded. Okay, if you remember, where is this GNS name domain is like, I IP address, your instruction star. Okay, so you have to put this name as, okay, DNS domain name where we have gone and printed. Normally this is on the first step which you have done. Okay, ST cluster name, DNS name. Okay, whatever DNS name. Okay, so your DNS name should be normally DNS subdomain name. Okay, if I go into echo STDNS name, it will be dns.example.com. okay, or what is your subdomain name? Okay, you can write, this is full name, you can write here, just remove gr. Okay, and I'll tell you the other way to verify whether the name is fine or not. gr9036. okay, so now if you look at, automatically this has been changed. The scheme listener name is changing. Okay, and the IP address here, remember we have noted down the IP address. That IP has to come 10.196.199.136. Let me check once more. 196, 199, 136. Okay. Now, if I want to check whether this what I have filled in the screen is fine, just do ns lookup. Okay. CL, whatever the name you have given, 36 hyphen scan dot gr 9036 dot example dot com. Okay, it should give me, that means I am not able to find the entry. There is a problem. Okay, so just let me check it is whether CL. Server cannot find. Don't hurry, will take some time, run it peacefully. Okay, so please, I am running this script first on 8026. Okay, using root user, paste it. Okay, script is completed, it does not take much time. Okay, I'll run the same script on the, okay, now it is completed. Okay, now the second script. This is the main script which takes time. It will take time. I'll run on this one. Okay, user bean, enter. Okay, now if you look at this, see, it's checking all the privilege. It checks your host name. It creates wallet if you are using any wallet keys and all that. Okay, certificates, TCP protocols, everything it checks it. It's writing, it's actually generating your OCR file now, OCR registry. This is the step where it's going to add the daemon to init.tab. Okay, it takes time. This script will run for 15 to 20 minutes minimum. On good slow system, here it may 10 to 20 minutes, we'll see. Okay, meanwhile, can we have a status from each one? What position they are? If one by one can speak, it will be good. Okay, let me start with Kalyan.
I'm about to start 2.2.
Okay. 2.2 means you are going to start the installation.
Yeah, Oracle Grid infrastructure installation.
Okay, good. Okay. What about Jason?
Step 6 on practice 2.1.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No issue till now. Yeah.
No, it's all good.
Okay. Then we can have Tom. Yeah, Tom.
Yes, I'm installing, creating the ASM disk groups.
Okay. Chapter 1. Oh, chapter 2.
No, what is the 2-2?
Okay.
J.
Okay. So the install, the creation and all that is going on. Yes.
Yes, no problem yet.
Till. Okay. Okay, Wilfred. Sorry.
I had a few problems with my internet connection. I just started.
Okay. No problem. Any help, guys? Just ping me. I'll keep my system shared where you can see what is happening. Okay. If you look at now, that's when this, if you look at Oracle Havability started, ASM created successfully. After ASM disk group is created, okay, OCR files have been created, and it says me which are my voting disks. See, these are the 3 voting disks which have been created. Once it created, again it stops and starts again everything. Okay. So we'll have to keep little patient running .root.sh, and you can use this option if you want to change your master node. You run the root.sh first time on the node which you want to be master node. Okay, but don't do it here because all the scripts are set as per the master node in this environment. Otherwise you will have to keep on modifying the scripts, and we're running on a very tight rope for 5 days. Okay. if you look at that, the things is working fine for me on the node 1. Okay, if I want to check whether the things are working or not, if I do pdef d minus bin, okay, so that means the CRS cluster is running fine on my node 1. Okay, now I'll run that same root.update on the second node. Okay. Okay. Now see the difference in this. Okay. See, adding domain to init.tab, when you run this, it will very clearly say that already it is existing and